Hello everyone, I'm Shirin. I did my undergraduate in Electronics and Communication Engineering from NIT Warangal. Post that, I have 1 year of work experience working in strategy consulting in Oddbees Business Solutions Private Limited. During the last summer, I interned with Bain Capability Network in proprietary data operations and working in the service line of financial services, particularly in banking and insurance. So before applying for any SIP process, I basically looked into the domain. So I was majorly interested in consulting. So that was the domain that I was interested in. So I would advise that keep 1 or 2 domains that you might prefer to apply in and which suits your skill sets. As well as second thing that I looked at was the brand name of the company that I was applying for. And the third thing that I looked at was the work culture of the firm. One thing that you can do to prepare yourself before the summer internship starts is speak to your seniors who have actually interned in the company before, understand how the work life involves, like what are the project requirements and how the usual work day goes on, what are the skills that are required. Speak to some alums who are currently working in the company and or any other people that you know of who are currently working in the company. Learn about the tools and the skills that are required, and if possible, learn these tools and skills required before the actual internship process starts. And the typical day at Bain would look like this. So in the morning, there would be a morning check-in with your mentor who would set the targets for the day. He would say that these are the things that you are required to complete in the day, and as well as will ask you to effort estimate on how much time you would require to complete the set targets. There would be a midday check-in to see how the course is going on and to see if you have any queries regarding it, and end day check-in whether you have completed and what's left and what's to be continued to the next day. In addition to that, we used to have a weekly client like offshore client meeting who would say like how your next week would mostly look like and said like what they want from us for the next week. So that's how a typical day as well as a week in Bain would look like. One thing that helped me stand out compared to my fellow interns was my prior work in consulting. So I already had the required PPT and Excel skills that were required to work in consulting, as well as an analytical mindset that had to be in place to deal with the regular problems that came along. So for Bain, the SIP process involved primarily a CV shortlist. This was followed by 1 round of guesstimate interviews, and the second round of interview involved a case. So that was the SIP process. During the internship, there was a mid check-in as well as there was an end review, and the PPI process was similar to the SIP process. It involved guesstimates, but this also involved what work we had actually done during the course of our internship and questions regarding that.